Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Well, we know that people are doing it tough, and that's why the Albanese government is taking unprecedented steps to help ease the cost of living. I'm pleased to see individuals, families, students and seniors across my electorate of Gilmore already benefiting from a range of measures announced in this year's budget that are aimed at easing financial stress in the home while placing downward pressure on inflation. Deputy Speaker, from July 1, 64,000 taxpayers in Gilmore will receive an average tax cut of $1,405. That's money going straight back into the pockets of hard-working locals in my electorate to help with the cost of living. Many households in Gilmore have already started receiving their $300 energy rebate, and I've been contacted by happy constituents who have received notification from their energy provider that their electricity bills will also be going down, which is even better news. Deputy Speaker, with an older population, accessible and affordable health services play a critical role. Since the Batemans Bay Urgent Care Clinic opened in December 2023, we've seen more than 6,000 patients walk through the doors, all bulk billed. And soon we're opening a Medicare mental health clinic at nearby Moruya. We've recently developed a fantastic and much-needed regional endometriosis and pelvic pain clinic at Milton. All of these important health services are free and helping to reduce cost of living pressures. Thanks to the Albanese government, Gilmore residents have saved more than $2 million on cheaper medicines, and people who access the PBS are saving even more thanks to our freeze on the maximum cost of PBS medicines. And pensioners and concession card holders will have more money in their wallets because for the next 5 years they won't pay more than $7.70 for a PBS script. Gilmore pensioners and seniors are saving in many other ways as well, thanks to cost of living measures announced in the recent budget, an increase in rent assistance, a 12-month freeze on deeming rates, a wage increase for aged care workers and more home care packages. Deputy Speaker, we know families are doing it tough. That's why we're helping out with the tax cuts, wage increases for our lowest paid workers and a further 10% increase in rent assistance. That's an average increase of $19 per fortnight for 8,235 people in Gilmore. And that's not all. Our government's choice supermarket price monitoring is helping make supermarkets more competitive and allowing consumers to make price comparisons so they save money at the checkout. These are real practical savings. These are effective cost of living measures. Students are also receiving a leg up with $3 billion wiped from HECS and apprentice loans across the country, including 13,286 locals in Gilmore. Again, this means more money going into the pockets of our young people to help with their cost of living. And let's not forget how students are now saving with fee-free TAFE in industry skill shortage areas and the new Commonwealth PRAC payments for nurses, teachers and social workers, meaning they can now earn money while they learn. Deputy Speaker, many families in Gilmore run small businesses, meaning they're feeling the pressure at home and at work, and this government has not forgotten them. By helping small businesses in these tough economic times, we are helping ordinary, hard-working Australians. Eligible small businesses are receiving their $325 electricity rebate, and just last month, a number of small to medium operators in my electorate of Gilmore received energy efficiency grants of up to $25,000 to help reduce their operating costs. Last week, I visited the Champion microbrewery Dangerous Ales in Milton, where our grant will help the operators set up a power-saving digital glycol monitoring system. The owners are a young family, and we're helping to ease the cost of living for them in their home and in their business. People of all ages and from all walks of life are already reaping the benefits of this government's responsible cost of living measures in my electorate. These are real savings. This is money in the pockets of locals when they need it most.